Okay, we got some beautiful 20-inch wide white oak, sawed at 1 1/8 inch, which is what the customer wanted. They also wanted it live edge, so they can get the widest boards as possible, and they will rip them down to what they need after they're dried. Then we got this cant, which I've got the pith centered in, and we're gonna get some 4-inch, 1 1/8 boards out of it. We'll saw down to here, flip it, and then saw down to here. That'll leave us with a 4x4 with the pith centered. Beautiful stuff. And there's the stack from the log we sawed yesterday.